Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, your go-to destination for architectural inspiration, home aesthetics, and exterior transformations. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are taking a deep dive into one of the most iconic, enduring, and sought-after architectural styles of all time, ranch-style home design. Whether you are looking to build from scratch, renovate your current property, or simply explore timeless suburban architecture, this video covers everything you need to know about bringing classic ranch-style living to life. Let's get started. Ranch-style home design is an architectural movement characterized by its long, low-profile footprint, single-story living, and a strong emphasis on open-concept layouts. Originating in the United States and gaining massive popularity in the mid-20th century, ranch homes typically feature low-pitched gable or hip roofs, deep eaves, large sliding glass doors, and an unpretentious integration with the surrounding yard and outdoor living spaces. Choosing a ranch-style home design offers a perfect harmony of everyday accessibility and practical living. One of the primary benefits is the single-level floor plan, which eliminates stairs and makes navigation safe and effortless for families of all ages, from children to seniors. Additionally, the sprawling layout provides an abundance of natural light and seamless indoor-outdoor connections, allowing for effortless entertaining and daily relaxation. Furthermore, the inherent architectural simplicity of ranch homes makes them highly adaptable to future renovations, expansions, and various aesthetic customizations. Ranch-style homes come in all kinds of styles. Whether you gravitate toward the designs of the 1950s or the modern ranch house of the 21st century, these ideas for ranch-style home exteriors can help your home look its best. Draw inspiration for your next remodel or landscaping refresh from these ranch homes. One, 60s ranch revamp, remodeled front exterior view. Once overgrown with trees and hidden from view, this ranch-style home's mid-century charm is now on full display. Wood elements, including the front door and horizontal slat siding, add warmth and texture to the white brick facade. Large windows surrounding the double doors create an open, airy atmosphere. 2. Balanced ranch exterior. White ranch house exterior walkway lined by greenery. More classic than contemporary, this ranch-style home relies on traditional landscaping for beauty. A double row of staggered height hedges lines the walkway, supplying both a border and pretty greenery. For added visual direction, the homeowners painted the front door a stunning, rich black, flanking it with elegant containers and flowering topiaries. 3. Modern ranch-style home. Gray ranch house exterior partial brick front. Break away from the monotony of a single-color facade on a ranch-style home by using complementary materials for added texture and interest. The asymmetrical front porch of this modern ranch house is enhanced by horizontally oriented stones in tan and brown shades. Warm stain support beams contribute natural hues that match the accent wall's undertones, while the open porch design provides a welcoming feel. Keep small homes feeling airy by using few color combinations and avoiding dark or contrasting tones. 4. Colorful ranch-style home. Mustard-colored ranch house exterior. Bright, cheery, and just plain fun, the exterior of this ranch-style home offers lots of curb appeal inspiration. A pretty collection of plants, including low-growing shrubs, provides a minimalist complement to the bright yellow siding color. The landscaping accents a low, Asian-style fence that offers a sense of privacy without completely blocking the view. 5. Energetic ranch exterior. Ranch house exterior with shingle siding, red brick steps. An exuberant mix of greens and burgundy adds energy to to this variation of a modern ranch house. Lining the brick walkway to the front door, the sidewalk border brings color and interest to the mostly neutral facade. The natural color palette is enhanced with varying textures and charming details, like the miniature trellis above the garage doors. 6. White Ranch House. White Ranch House exterior 3-car garage. An all-white color scheme proves the perfect match for this stunning modern ranch house. Paired with a sunny yellow door, the bright white siding helps maximize the home's low profile and the sense of airiness in the landscape. A short retaining wall carves out a sidewalk-adjacent nook, while a narrow inset of shrubs dresses up the driveway. 7. Relaxed ranch-style aesthetic. Gray Ranch House exterior stone driveway. A little meditative, a little contemporary. This ranch-style home uses clever details and a pared-down color palette for sophisticated style. With low profiles and a muted design, the trees and trellis add interest without overwhelming the single-story space. A cheery red color welcomes visitors, while half walls offer spaces for entryway task lights. 8. Colorful exterior accents. Gray Ranch House exterior with red brick path. One way to dress up a mostly neutral color palette is to provide an unexpected hue as contrast. Here, chartreuse paint highlights the window and door trim. A wide circle walk and inset garden bed filled with a collection of foliage-focused plants helps to soften the long overhang and low profile of the home. Ranch-style homes are single-story and low profile and sit close to the ground. They typically feature an open concept design with a natural flow throughout the house. 9. Mid-century modern ranch. White Ranch House exterior concrete step sidewalk to door. Embracing mid-century influences, this sleekly styled modern ranch features several stunning details. A low-slung retaining wall gracefully winds down a slope, guiding visitors via a wide walkway to the front door. Narrow trees provide privacy without obstructing the home's attractive profile. 10. Cottage-style ranch home. Gray Ranch Cottage, exterior bright turquoise door. This ranch-style home takes on a charming cottage feel, thanks to a few cheerful details. A bright turquoise door provides an unexpected pop of color for the front entrance. Lighter colored siding helps the roof or lined with a darker shade from feeling too heavy, while slightly raised flower and shrub beds provide separation between the lawn and the foundation of the home. Ranch-style architecture remains one of the most versatile and comfortable design choices available today, blending horizontal lines, accessible layouts, and an effortless connection to nature. Whether you choose to incorporate simple exterior updates like modern siding and low-profile landscaping, or undertake a full open-concept renovation, these design principles will immediately elevate your home's aesthetic appeal and functional quality. If you found these ranch-style home ideas inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below telling us which of these design inspirations was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to Better Homes Designs and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming home design guides and exterior transformation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.